now only me for the Facebook, we put that followers, we follow the pepper people, they so, oh, we plenty a back, because if we plenty, then there's no need, because I don't see it's so terrible. You'll see a big old blogger will see that want to compare me with my, let me tell you something, those of you who go, commenting on those things, that's, so two people go talk, say, Mama Talakwa and Delisinga, who is more mature, who is the talk says, who is the follow? Mama Talakwa and Kobos. Mama Talakwa and this, they start comparing me with people. Those people, I don't know, since people, they don't do that thing, and we say, me that blogging life change. Those are the first people to go and blog and say, this one, the beef, the one, Cameroon entertainment industry is not united. This one is not this. But now the highest people, the way they cause problem. Now the highest people, thank God I didn't even go for that kind of place to go read comments. Because if I go that kind of place to go read comments, or the blog on for nothing. And I don't want the blog on because when I get shots, when I not get retentive memory, when I don't know how to think. When I understand what I mean, when I know how to think, when I don't know, like when I just be excited, so put they coming out of excitement. So I don't live and make that excitement don't even get to me. Some of you comment, you just draw comments in places out of excitement. You understand? You just I talk my tuma inside, outside. Sometimes they listen feel look and say, oh, I never talk that way. I know ever talker. You like you dissect, you know ever talker. I talk my thing the way I talk am. My tuma. Kobos feel look and say, no, I never talk me kind of tuma matalako you talk am. But me matalako I talk am. Because I be unique for tumarization. I be unique for my own thing. They listen I be unique for your own thing and go for a patient, go follow am. Kobos be unique for your own thing. When I go for Kobos patient, they laugh so they have die. I be laugh so they comedy, and they laugh and I feel crazy. But when you carry as you call yourself on whatever, you carry a mature self, because I don't see maybe 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5 bloggers, they don't do that nonsense. Now the time that's on nothing that be the trend lately. They go put my picture, this one and this one. Who comment, who do this past this one? If you come for here, you sometimes you must see some people they come the talk for some place, so they say those her posts are nasty. They are sleeping on my page. How you don't know say my post and be nasty? Because you are sleeping on my page. You are sleeping on my page. And you cannot see that there's what you never ever learn no one positive thing like if you don't block me. If you don't block me. Oh, no one go around say, let's compare this one and this one, compare this one and this one. You all when I did blogger, they start compare compare this blogger to this blogger and this blogger who get more content. They'll crush wash dot move draws them, put a isa water so na you turn brown. I remember sometimes they even compare Timaya for Twitter. He go comment under. He said, never you freaking compare me with anybody. That's so annoying, guys. If I do something, you want to go blog about me negatively, go blog about me negatively. No go put and say me my father can't compare the one and the one. And as dumb as some fans and be, you don't know say any person get his own specification when he be pro for day. I get my own thing where I be pro. Any man get your own thing will be pro. Come and get your own thing will be pro. When me I know fit take her for me. I get my own thing will not take her for me. Now why that follow and then call up Facebook say followers? You're allowed to follow everywhere. Yes. So you go see somebody and say, this one is a boss, this one is a bomb, this one is too mature. I am not mature, yeah. Kill yourself. Maturity is not me. You know me, I'll bring maturity for in the entertainment industry. I'm not mature. If tumarization is immaturity, let immaturity never depart away from me. Let maturity never come to me. Let me be immature till the day when I enter my grave. And you see there, so those people who don't talk about sex, I mean, they follow us. I need to talk the mentors because any mentor gets it in will be pro for. Now whether they respect any man's space, na social media. You know, if you see me, I can't stand talk say, when it comes to this, Daily cannot compare with me. Come on, let me compare with me when it comes to this. When it comes to this, that's childishness. I got my space with my discussion. I got my thing here. They got their thing on their page, on their pages. So when I see that kind of thing, you see mature brains that they can't talk say, so person can't say these ones, they're all unique. Why should we be comparing them? The one they want show now for they say they hate Mama Talaku. All Mama Talaku, you na tuma. Am I the one? Not be me anticipating them all. Now the worst thing that I can die. Not be virgin them all. And most of them never even married to. Maybe me a disvirgin demo. As when I talk to marrialization as sin. My own immaturity, and I said I talk to marrialization. Maybe me a disvirgin you. So when you can cause me say I be immoral. 4 picking 4 pa. When I can't cause me say I be immoral. When I be single mom for them for year like me. How when I do born the picking? Through injection. How enter? Now the worst thing that those of them who go around insulting me that those are posts, they are too nasty, they are too this. How did you get pregnant? Now me I told you, if you are not a virgin, you don't get right for vex. If you are a virgin, you feel vex because say they talk something and never test and they hurt you. If you are not a virgin, you have no right to judge me on this social media. No ever try am. I'm drinking palm wine because today I talk for. It's terrible. You was a single mom like me. They talk say she's immoral. You was a 4 picking 4 papa. I'm immoral. I've said if you are not a virgin, you don't have any rights. You don't have no rights. If you come here and I'm talking about sex, get the hell out of the group. There's a freaking block bottle. You know people block me every day. Yes. Don't get it twisted. People block me. People ban me. People who don't want to see me, they unfollow, they unlike. The thing is, it's not significant because by the time 5 is following, 5 is unfollowing, 10 is following. That is why I don't even know when somebody stopped following or somebody who stopped commenting. I don't even know because as you drop another comment that was on side, the enter with your own funny comments. It's a big page, 100 and something thousand people. You come here and be claiming virginity, claiming the nonsense. As if I'm the one that disvirgin you. Am I the one that make me to make me a boyfriend? Me the one to my enter come out. Now me, people should be very careful. That one they don't want to talk about two man at them. That draws hang for up. That toto. You should play if you are cow room the way they don't enter. The soundtrack been known for almost all quarter. But when they come up for monitor, they come for social media. They want to compare maturity. That woman, when he talk about two man all day so, that master, yeah, they jam. As a matter of fact, I don't go November, December, January, February. Now February is coming 4 months where I never seen being with my eye. I never see him with my eye. Not to never enter my middle foot. But the caveat I can't teach one. When I finish lecture to marrialization, I go call my master for video, put phone for corner bed, I sleep. When I did the jam, hold me, hug me, crack me, jam me, open it, do this, baby, turn round. Me when I can't preach, I'm at the sleep. One a day, when I listen and go back. When I don't go to put our practical, me when I can't preach and continue, can't kill me. But you don't the holla, hold me, lift it up. They don't lift up your 1 foot, so they don't put it down. It's taking me to the left, to the right. And they sleep for bed. For year cold, he can't finish me. Me and my master are there for a video call. You don't already do jam it, touch it, slap it, hug it. So person say, not everybody will like me. I don't need everybody to like me. If everybody loves you, you have a big problem. If all man like you, you get big problem. They more hate you. But why you know? Because we Cameroonian entertainment industry, big curse. When they see grow, they fear. They need to pray say, well, me the one try grow. Whether we feel even use it to compare or the Nigerian, they want to make mob, or the Ghanaian them, or the Francophone, they want to make mob. No, we Anglophone, when they see you grow, they want bring you down. They want pull you down by fire, by force. They go start telling her things they like, she's insulting her followers, people should go and unfollow. When they will not unfollow, the fact that say, well, when I even unfollow me, when I not go follow them. You should go and look at her. They'll try to manipulate my talk. I go talk something for you. They go want manipulate them so that me my follower then vex. Then go unfriend me. They want see now they falling. Cameroon are not be used to rising. Them being are used to falling and stagnation. They already be used to that aspect of their life. But you see me mad like I go broke that gap. If you like, you coach me, dissect my toto. Which cause they never coach my massa? Which past life they never bring about my massa? Which person they never bring about me? Which cause they never coach me? People they never wash kids, they don't teach me body hygiene. Which kind thing they never talk about me? We cares not. Contracts comment, advertisement comment, Followers, dear. What next? We die here. We cares not. Mommy one die may die. Mommy one die may die. Yes. We cares not. If whether you're here for giveaway or stay, one day you'll win. If you want win, go. You'll win, go. She don't talk, say, if you say no, ever give me that money. You don't give me, as you talk, so two people the year that they can't follow for with their own money. And if you joke, I will block you. My password is blocked. Somebody say, only cowards that block. It's my cowardness. It's not your cowardice. Let me be, if blocking is gonna make me a coward, let me have PhD in cowardice. If blocking somebody makes me a coward, I should have PhD in cowardice. Let's forget about this. Why are they not talking? Oh, flat nyash. Oh, this. Oh, that. It doesn't freaking care. It doesn't freaking have nothing to do with me because you with that big bomb. It's not giving you any penny. You that you're insulting me that's what I would say in social media. In social media. Because at times you see somebody sit and insult you, you look at the person's life, and at the end of the day, you're looking at the person needs a giveaway. But because there's no way the person can have a giveaway, you want to insult those coming for giveaway. When I crazy when I hate Nigerians do giveaway. I've said it. Let me if I want to go for my next topic here. Cameroonians, you people should stop comparing with Nigerians. Those are not your mates. I've said it on my live video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Those are not your mates. Your bad-heartedness and your wickedness does not permit you to compare with those people, because those people, they lift you up, and if they decide to bring you down, they can bring you down. But Cameroonians, you grow now management. You grow so they need even support for bringing you up. They won't bring you down. Yes, they lift you up, and they can just to bring. What do we do when they see you growing? Those you met in the industry, ikamuj day, ikamuj day we don't get 100,000 followers. Now give away now give away now, because when they do give away, they start comparing. Nobody's asking them questions, but they're asking questions. Nobody's asking you questions. Nobody, but they're asking. They're answering questions. They start comparing me with them. Now me, see me, are they fine? I slim, see I see fat. And how does that build your block or your bank account or at your job? How? How does all those things? You are commenting because of giveaway. You are doing this. After that, and so what? Matter. Let's know. I want to know if your followers are genuine or not. And so what do you want to do with my genuine followers? Let me bother about it. I'm the one doing the giveaway. Even those who come to my account to pay money today. One of my sisters gave me £100 today. Say, like, if you feel like giving giveaway, give it. If you feel like chopping it, chop it. Those are people at the background who support the platform 24/7. They don't even talk. Those who have nothing to offer. Only negativity. Only bias. Now then get more for talk pass. Now again, when I never even dig finish about me, think they about me when I don't even know, you put you go and dig. Because I see some of you on social media, you have time. The news when I dig about my partner is dying. He don't die, he's dead. Any news you remove about me is social media. After 1 month, he's dead and gone. That's my past. As I'm going ahead, I'm leaving footprints, and you're copying, and you go and sit and you talk, and I'm gone. I don't go. Hey! Why can't you get serious fever? You know, why she don't compare Nigeria? Na craze. When I don't tell when I say when I need to compare now Côte d'Ivoire, Equatorial Guinea, them Malabo, Gabon, them even Ghana. I not even compare with them. You see, a person can't write long thing. When you do give away, don't put the receipt. Don't do it. Where your left hand do, your right hand should not do. Go under Nigerian post. Go see when they say drop your number for giveaway. You see Nigeria they drop 20,000 comments. All they drop that number, then me them put their money. But Cameroonian person can't stand. Yeah. If you one person just comment say don't if you're doing good, don't post, don't put receipt. I block you. Why? So that you should stop seeing things that will be making you angry. And I don't only block you, I block those who like your comment. If you like my comment, 5 people. If you like, now what I do is I go to the I come for a comment section there. So when my heart don't find me for dash money, I go for a comment section, I start click your profile, I check if you don't share. For week giveaway, you don't need for seek notice. You don't need for post about me every day. Can't send for my inbox say you don't post me. You don't need for call my attention unnecessarily back to back. Not be so you take a win giveaway because I look down at the hypocrisy. Yes, I just woke up some morning time. I just don't me for walk across my foot. I said, okay, man, that's 100,000 today. 4 people, 25,000. I start go for. I tell you, if taps. Now put in there, they know me all a poke. Depuis. We'll study platform where they want talk, they need to talk. Yes. Yeah, she don't cross my foot for workplace. I find some of them on the share. I find the last person we shocktalization. That game, if they tell that game say go ever win, that game for knock your hand for ground say, I know if you ever win. I just go down, I click like 15 people them. I don't see where they don't ever share my video. I want to click for that girl. I see where they don't share my video. 1, 2. You know me say, you must share in my, if I post, you go share all those. No, you get your own thing they will do for your page. You know me tell me say, since we enter my mouth, la page, one thing never touch you for share them. When I say you must share my video, it doesn't mean that you should be sharing everything that I do on social media. No, that's not the meaning. At least you cannot share post, you can share video. So I don't know why they give it away all that kind. So after all, let's go to something else. I made a post the other day and I said, I asked a question. I said, if man picking them, I don't think I said all my posts where I make, I get a reason for making that post. I get a reason for making that post. I don't access. I ask man picking them. He has say, if your woman talks to me with twerk, say the twerking go make it turn on. Me wear string twerk, say the twerking go make it turn on. You go do man picking and candy cast them on, cast and buy. We reject, we slap, we box. Godimba in the house. Godimba, now you show me now. Those are people who uplift my platform financially. People who don't even do nothing. They want to make noise. Wanna be really careful, be very careful. Bible preacher, Nasha, see you. Open rebuke is better than sacred love. Amen. Sis, you have preached your own part of the Bible. It's okay. I say, if Yanga talk say, we'll go for some very sensitive topic. If Yanga talk say, me you twerk, me you wear string twerk because it go turn it on, you go do am. So man picking them, they can't say, oh, Mama Telako, I do it every day. Mama Telako, I do am. Mama Telako, why some of them? I cast, I bind, I reject. Yeah, and me say the man are gay. They gay ask her, they get a lesbian. If they this, not this. Una listen. Man picking them. No be only woman need for panabits his skin for make you turn on. No be only woman need for wear hot pan. Some crazy things and the way want me your woman do am. Very crazy things. And that woman go do them because he want me must be turned on. But you man picking, your man video test, so they say, babe, take the machine wear. So take them with your man video, she don't go palo. So you just wear his string, you come out, umpanganosta. Like, if the woman be getting a bad day, you don't fix it day. You don't fix it. If your woman be getting a bad day, you don't fix it day. There are some funny things that you do it. In the end, not only inside you and your woman. You know me, I say, but can't blow trouble, man. I mean, you make her enter, so you take your woman, he draws. You wear and so you come out for palo, you dance so, you shake your butt so you twerk so. Only that crack, that laugh where your woman don't laugh that day. When I share the videos when they come on live, only that crack, if you don't crack your woman, it don't fix a whole thing for us. When only one me na woman wear string, me na woman in bobby tana, me na woman do kegel exercise, me to tight, me na woman do this. I don't teach the kegel exercise, so me say I do unconsciously. Now I say that because me say I thought I get tight pussy. Yes, I get tight pussy because I get the technique. Then the worst again, I say I have a distance relationship. Just anytime my master the cousin and this veggie me no. As compared to when I under the same roof on master. When I in my turning left and in my turning right, something may enter. When you're turning left and you're turning right, something may enter either from the back or from the front. When I want me na a woman and do all things. Now woman give away cooking in the bedroom, in the cooking for when a woman give for one cook, wear hot pants, wear bra. Man, you can do funny things. Some of you are so unromantic. I read your comments. It was so funny, but some of you are so unromantic. I said, when I mean unromantic, some man picking a bit so romantic. So some of you men, you are so stiff. When I visit a side boy to know the, when they fit to talk for your mom, your woman take you. Some of you men picking on a bit so stiff, very stiff. Your woman fit dey house wey the vex, you know fit do some better thing. When laugh. Because it is out of their ethics. It's not ethical. In the Bible says, you shock say on their prophets, the way woman is trained to work for a fraud. You're shocked. Say a man of God. Because in the end, now you say, yeah, a woman, then you laugh. Now, fun time. You don't crack your woman up. You don't laugh with woman. Don't laugh. You don't bring some this thing. So I say, can you wear string and dance? When I do, yeah. God forbid. Me wear string. What's that the Botox? They never talk say the Botox more strong. Say the Botox more soft. They never talk say the Botox more slap. As if fat show, then the slap so pack. They only that just for fun. Just the action way you shake that small nyash them off. You don't even joke. If I check when I know my hand checking up. If I neck check, yes, back. No, no, say na ina show. When the whole aspect now for fun. If your woman say, baby, and do it, it's gonna turn me on. If you just do no be say you go actually turn it on. Like go actually make every cleanliness, some of them facing only woman if you do this, shower there, block talker. So you go see man picking, you go see now when I say something, you see the kind of man picking the way the coach woman when I never notice her. When you see the clean man picking the way they clean so they know how to take care of their skin. You go hardly see them some place the coach woman say, see some dirty girl, see how you go hard, but you see the dirty one the way beer they under the armpit where cobwebs number 1, 2, 3 don't climb under. If you see the way the coach woman for you go feel say better day them. Open that bolaji. Separate their eggs. You go see that thick powder that come out in between the egg them. Dirty thing them. You see that one they increase. So he had so in the video comment say no, he get some small body horrible. He get some the smell small. But you see the one they be loud for social media for coach girl them. Oh, they sit on dirty girl. That girl only smell the smell. Talk me they walk on the armpits. You will see cobwebs on the armpits say bia. Talk me they open the middle foot. Talk me they open their egg them. You go see grass. The monguin. For monguin season, all monguin the common under the balls. Go on. What are they monguin anyhow? Because there's some man picking the egg them. They distribute monguin. Only grass way they under and grasshopper they live there. When you see how they coach, when you go for some place, see how they coach woman. So there's a person, you see someone so can't drop so kind of comment. You will click for a profile and until you start. We don't put face cap that other side. Another day for that time they for nigga roll. P square. I'll take you to the candy shop. Hey. I'll take you to the and another time they will make cap so. Then that time they will dance pongo. You see them they still don't wear that chance at the pongo baby Rafa don't die. They can't drop so kind of dirty comment so kind of thing. You just look at I never just look at social talk about and say it can only come from this kind of nasty fellow. But check the handsome, check that boy of the page, that portable boy and that correct one them. Check them. Check that kind of comments them. Some of them say they only can't click loving emoji, click like, click love. Or yeah, true mama talako. Or yeah, disagree. Or yeah, let's think about this. Or they even they won't comment long, they will comment some kind of important comments. But see this one them, they might contribute the way they just wait crisis make and relocate from Fundong to Douala. Check their comments. Check that one that comments. See, I'm drink na palm wine. I don't keep on for a piece. So tell me you can't drink the palm wine. Making them flow fine. Since November, why buy palm wine? Did I say palm wine go expire for us? I better drink and sleep. One and talk very true for you and share video. Yes, even when you even come for this my hookup group, right? Like I never get comedian for my hookup so far. When I mean comedian, I never get a noise maker or best way it don't come blast on, you know. I never get them. Like, I get a maximum respect. The most, in short, my hookup, I get very respectful men. Very respectful men. Even they get it over my hookup. No person never can do me busybody. I get the highest mature people. Highest. Oh, when I wanna comment, I never reply when I this thing see there under, you go to the person, I'm very handsome, I'm a handsome boy. Yeah, Matalaku, I be hot girl. I'm hot head to toe. I'm beautiful. I just need a man to do this. You don't need a fair interview. Who asks you? Now that beauty, that thing where I'm beautiful. Don't make a video for play where you did today. Yes. Because you go see correct man, you no go humble yourself, chop, because you think say you fine. Now whether now I declare I'm beautiful. See baby, I get baby as they pass me. When I work, I remember bro. When they go line up, the only thing I don't have a credit for fake I can't cut man talaku. You don't need a fair interview. Men, you need to be romantic. Man picking the house. And therefore, na case the week. You need to be very romantic. There are some of una. I know say some woman they don't like flower. But there are some, if you make some, you can turn your woman on. Your woman, if you want to come back some time where you don't arrange dinner, you don't do something where you know say you know if you do it. You didn't learn them, you didn't look them, you didn't learn them. You don't arrange dinner. You talk say me woman be me woman do so for 10 on her own. Woman need for keep to his standards. Woman, even that side chick when you see have a side. If you not keep to his standard, what you do? What you do? You go still come out, go for another woman or my brother. No be only woman they fix her, so even man